settling into a comfortable position, whether that's sitting or lying down, and bringing attention to the physical contact that the body makes with the surface that it is resting on. Now bring attention to the ears and hearing. Opening and expanding, becoming receptive to sound. Noticing sounds from all around, subtle sounds, obvious sounds, and sounds between sounds. Bring attention to sounds as they arise, develop, and pass. And if the mind has wandered, that's okay, because everybody's mind wanders. Gently, and as best you can, bring the attention back to sounds, noticing sounds from all around. No need to go searching or listening for particular sounds. Bringing awareness to sounds from all directions. And as we bring this practice to a close, congratulate yourself on spending time just being rather than doing.